everybody, it's me Olivia. My mom is gonna make my hair and she's gonna coil it and make it and then it's gonna look pretty, everybody, and it's gonna look nice. You can make anything you want, like you can do my channel if you want to, like my videos, like.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada, and today I'll be doing a lemonade tutorial, a lemonade braid tutorial. So as you all know, it's the summertime and we need something light so we can get off the stress and the heat period and all that. So I'll be doing a lemonade braid for my daughter. I'll be showing you guys how to do this lemonade braid. And then I'll be starting with this one. I'll be starting off more like you're trying to do a cornrow. I'll be starting off her braids with her natural hair and then start to add my braiding hair. Like I always do, I always put out my braids on the table, separate them the way I want it, the way I'll be taking them, so I don't get tired or easily, or I don't like, it's so easy for me that way. I prep everything down and it's easier for me to take my braids, get my braids done without wasting much time. And as usual, I use my hair cream, my comb, my mousse, my hair jam, my shine and jam. Actually, that shade is the bomb. Like, I use my shine and jam, my braiding hair, and everything, practically everything I use for my videos, for my hair and all that. It's practically the same thing. I didn't get to show it on this video, but it's the same thing I use. And for this back section, I'll be doing a total of 5 braids. So I'm going to be showing you guys this part again. I am starting off with her natural hair and I'll be doing the tripper, like just like the way you start up your cornrow. That's the way I'm starting it up, and then I'll be adding my braiding hair. You keep adding your braiding hair until you get to like the size you want it to be, and then you can start braiding down. And this method I'll be using, like, it's more like the feeding method. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do the feeding braids, I can do another tutorial on that. Just leave a comment and I'll deliver. Definitely I'll do a video on that, show you guys how to do a feeding braid. So for this lemonade, I'm using the feeding braid method. And I purposely slowed this, like this is like on a normal speed, so that you guys can see what I am doing. And after this part, I think the next I'll be speeding things up. So I mean, we're not about to sleep here today, are we? So we can watch this, get this over with and get on to the next video. And then yeah, something else, when you're starting the braid, you start off with the smaller size, and then as you go down, you add up, you make it like you add up, you go down to the bigger size, more like starting off with the smaller size, then going up, adding more braids. That's the way you do it. And like I said, if you guys want a tutorial on feeding braid, you just leave a comment on my comment section and I will make a video on that. And also, if you have any other video suggestions, if there's any other thing, any other videos you guys want to see, I'll also do that. Leave that on my comment section and I'll also do that. And like I said, I'll be speeding up some parts so that we can get to it. So here I also slowed the video down so that you guys will get to see what I am doing for the last time. You guys will see how I am doing this braid. Starting off with her natural hair, I'll be braiding it down, then adding my braiding hair. That way it makes it look more natural and it also saves their edges. So please guys, you guys should subscribe to my channel to see more videos, to get more tutorials, to see more of my makeup videos, my hair videos, braiding, sewings, everything. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much guys. So here we've gotten to the second part of the braid. It's more like you're going to the opposite direction, like you're going towards the opposite direction, and that's how lemonade braid works. Like you, the back side we did the opposite direction, and this front side will be doing like the opposite direction. I mean, if that even means anything. So practically doing the same thing, starting off with her natural hair and then adding my braiding hair. So I've practically shown you guys these things, so I'll be speeding up these parts. And then after braiding her hair, I'll be putting it in hot water and adding my mousse and all that. And please, if your child is not, she is 5, if your child is below 5 or can't handle hot water, please don't bother putting hot water. Just add mousse to it and it's fine, it's okay, because some like children under 5 or some children can't just stand the hot water thing. So please guys, you have to be careful. If your child can't stand hot water, please don't bother adding hot water to it. Don't even bother me. Yeah, cheering up my baby girl after all the frowning. She's becoming more, she's happy now because her hair is almost done and she's looking more pretty, like she's now pretty. And so here, taking off all the excess hairs, and then we'll be dipping in hot water, adding my mousse, and then after that we'll be putting my anti-itch oil. I usually put this hair wrap just to keep all the stray hairs down.
My hair is so beautiful. My mommy made my hair for me. Thank you, mommy, for my hair. My hair is so beautiful. Like my hair.
So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, like my video, share my video. Thank you all.